station is dead on this thing. Yeah, the pay station is dead. Let's... Yep. The pay station is definitely dead. I see nothing. Well, I can drive with the window down because, yeah. Maybe I can go reach for the brushes. But yeah, this is a Sonny's BayWash. It's got onboard dryers too. I want to feel the brushes. Yeah, it's modern foam. I don't know if I could like take one or pull one out. Yeah. Well, at least we'll get a good look at it this time. Well, I don't know if this thing's ever going to be working, but one of these extra about to come right off. There. Nobody will notice. Alright, well. Guess that'll be it for that video.